In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Hostgator email quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Hostgator website. You can simply open your web browser and type in hostgator.com. This is the primary hub for all things related to your account and hosting services. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page for the sign in button and give it a click. This will guide you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password at the ready. Once you're logged in, the next step is to access your Hostgator home. What you'll want to do is navigate to your account's home dashboard. This area provides an overview of your account details and services. From here, find the website tab on your dashboard and go ahead and click on it. This takes you to a section dedicated to your website configurations where you need to locate and click on the settings option. This will open up a range of settings specific to your hosting account. Next, you'll want to access the advanced settings. The advanced tab is typically found under hosting details, and it provides a deeper dive into the flexible configurations and management options available for your site. Clicking Advanced takes you one step closer to managing more specific functionalities. Here you'll see an option labeled Manage. Click on it. This will give you access to various management tools and sections relating to your hosting account, one of which is vital for this process, your email accounts. Now, let's focus on your email. Look for the email accounts section and click on it. This section is designed to manage everything related to your email under the Hostgator account. It's where you can create, modify, and delete email addresses associated with your domain. Once you're in the email account section, locate the Check Email button. Clicking this will direct you to the email interface used by Hostgator, where your messages are stored and accessed. Finally, to access your inbox, click on Open Your Inbox, and there you have it. This action opens up your email inbox where you can read, organize, and send emails through your Hostgator account. You've successfully navigated to your Hostgator email and can now manage it according to your communication needs. Remember, you can always bookmark the email login page for quicker access in the future. And there you go, accessing your Hostgator email in just a few simple steps. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more detailed tutorials. Have a great day.